I'm worried about the stability of this current arm. It does seem strong enough to leave here loot.
I noticed the same problem yesterday while I was checking the instruction. I think the use is related to the position of the pivot.
The pivot? How can they fail the lifting capacity?
Well, if we move the pivot closer to the load, we can increase the mechanical advantage of the system.
That makes sense. So the arm will be able to support more with less effort.
Exactly. I also reviewed a whole engineering manual last night for some inspiration.
Did you find anything useful there?
Yes, I did. It explained how cranes use counterweight to balance the instruction more efficiently.
So are you suggesting we all use that counterweight position too?
Yes, if we shorten the arm and hold the counterweight and move it closer to the pivot, the instruction will become stronger and more stable.
That sounds like a good solution. It could improve both safety and performance.
I agree. Let's modify the design and test the new configuration this afternoon.
Perfect. If the results are positive, we can include changes in the final prototype.